A question that we get asked often from prospective buyers, someone who's on the website looking between a couple of different trailers is, I know I want a tilt trailer, but I'm stuck between the HDT and the DET. Who is the buyer for the DET? Why would it appeal to you versus the HDT? So the main thing is, obviously when you look at it, you compare the two, it's a 102 wide deck with no fenders. That's the number one. And how that's a benefit is you can side load material. Say you're on the farm and you need to side load square hay or round hay, or you're on the job and you need to side load lumber or steel or palleted goods. It's just not nearly as simple when you have fenders in the way. So if you find yourself needing to do those things, side load cargo or side load material often, then the deck over is probably is more likely to be a good fit for you. But the cool thing about the DET, it still has the ability to move equipment easily with the tilt function. It comes with a wireless control, so you can easily run the tilt from the ground like I am, or you can sit on your piece of equipment, say your skid steer, your Mini X, whatever it is, and be able to load onto the bed and raise yourself up or lower yourself easily with the push of a button. So again, you have that extreme versatility where you can go either way, as needing to be able to use it one day to haul cargo or the next day to haul your equipment. And then the bonus is, if your equipment, with the way the equipment is growing these days, is wider than 82 inches, that's the other time that the deck over would make a lot of sense for you. If your piece of equipment or tractor is wider than 82 and can't fit through the fenders of an HDT, then you would go to the deck over as well. To round it out, the 5 features that mean the most for the work that you need to do with the new DET are the slipper roller suspension with a better ride and extended maintenance intervals, 14 ply all steel radial tires, underslung hydraulics and battery all tucked out of the way under the side, the engineered beam technology throughout the frame, putting the metal where it counts the most, and lastly, the HD V-tongue lid up front with extended deck space and massive storage space inside. Jump on diamondsea.com. There you can outfit a DET or DETGN with the options that mean the most for the work you need to do.